And a little update on the progress with the sedan delivery, Chevy sedan delivery. Still needs to, as you can see, needs a hood, needs to have the paint completed and some interior work done. But it runs pretty good. Really happy with the progress so far. Take a look over here. Let me move you. There it is on the setup block. Looking pretty good. And speaking of setup blocks, I 3D printed myself one. Wow, does that look sharp or what? Wait till I get the other color on it. I hope I don't mess it up there with the, where I gotta do right in here, taping this silver off is, that's always an issue for me, but I've got some of the Tamiya pinstripe and tape. Hopefully that'll solve the issues that I've had with taping in the past. So I printed the setup block. Of course, I printed a bunch of guys, which I have another one on the printer right now. Is my new work area, which is working out pretty good. I had a couple of lights. I work on this little remote here. I printed this controller holder. So things have been going pretty good. I've been pretty busy. I'll probably do some interior work on this today. Maybe some painting. All right. I'll update you later in the week. Thanks for watching. See ya.